Say hello.
Hello from the Sanders Kitchen. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I'm Mike.
I'm Pam. Right?
We never talked to a camera together like this. So anyway, we wanted to chime in for Christmas and just say that we appreciate all of our subscribers. And we wanted you to know that we really do appreciate you guys being our subscribers, and we appreciate you guys commenting. Even if I don't know where to find the comments half the time. No, I'm getting used to it right now, where to find the comments. But it's been a learning process, okay?
And fun. It's been fun.
It's been fun. And so we made that last video and said that we were going to probably make another video with like a dessert, but we didn't get a chance to actually make the video because we didn't really know what we were doing.
But it looks great.
But it does look great.
A Buche de Noel Yule log cake.
And that is the cake.
It's not decorated yet.
It's got a little weight to it. I'll tell you that. It's not decorated yet. But it's really, really pretty, and that's going to be Pam's birthday cake.
Yes.
Because her birthday is tomorrow.
Tomorrow's my birthday.
That's right.
We're getting old, y'all.
But we do want to say a special thank you to a few people who not only are they subscribers to our channel, but they are also our friends. Mm-hmm. They are YouTube family friends, and that's... And I want to say that I especially appreciate them because some of them have reached out to us when we had the flood and all the flooring was coming up. I mean, if you have never seen a whole house full of stuff get moved into one corner so they could do flooring and then move it all of the stuff back into another part of the house so they could do this. Oh my God, it was a mess. It was a mess. So yeah, we were off the channel for a few weeks, and then I had a few people actually private message me and say, "Hey, are you guys okay?" And that was so sweet and so special. So hey, look, I wrote a few people's names down, and they're on the note board over there. So I want to say. Thank you and Merry Christmas to Anna's Home Cooking. Anna, you're a sweetheart.
Merry Christmas to you and your family.
And Anna's a really special lady, and I love her recipes. Even though I don't get to make them all, we're Southerners. We're South Louisiana, and we have our own thing. I mean, but Anna's cooking is pretty much online with what we do. Mm-hmm. And then, there's a lot of other people out there too, and I want to mention a few. So, Jerry Ellen, you're in the mix.
Cooking with Neighbors.
Jerry
Ellen, Cooking with Neighbors.
Love Jerry Ellen. And Kind Old Gentleman, even though, I mean, he's been a subscriber of ours since we started. Mm-hmm. And he has his own channel, and he does Bible scriptures and some cooking with the kids and stuff, and I like watching. I love watching him. And
Miss Sonia Elaine.
And Miss Sonia Elaine out there on the coast getting rained on right now, I think.
I don't know.
And Sonia, I got to tell you, we just watched the video again of the signing, and I wish I knew how to say Merry Christmas,
I can't remember.
like that.
Merry
I don't know. I'm
Christmas,
gonna practice it, but anyway, Merry Christmas to you guys too. And
here's reindeers for you and else.
And
I think I did that right.
Love you guys.
Yep.
And here's another one, Miss Sandy. You are so sweet. I hope we say this. How do you say
Aji?
it? Aji Kitchen.
Aji Kitchen.
I'm telling you, she is so sweet, and she's one of the ladies that actually contacted us too and said, "Hey, are you guys okay?"
Yeah.
And please come see us. We'll feed you. We'll turn you into official Cajuns. We'll make you eat boiled crawfish. No, we won't do that. But anyway, so those are some really sweet people, and I do want to mention another guy who. He's a real sweetheart, and I love Todd Toven. If you guys haven't visited Todd Toven's channel, do that. He was probably one of the first people that I ran into when I bought my Blackstone griddle many, many years ago. And I want to tell you, Todd's a very special person. And you can believe that. He looks like he's all business, but he's got a heart. And a real big one, too. So, anyway, I love Todd. And Merry Christmas to you guys, Todd and your family. And, of course, now this lady wouldn't know us, but I'm going to tell you, Tatiana's everyday food. And I just want to say, Tatiana, if my mom cooked everyday food like you cook, I'd probably be this big around right here, because I'd eat more food. This is what I'm talking about. No, your cooking is outstanding.
And her cakes and her pastries and all are
And
beautiful.
I'm
beautiful.
telling you, she has been an inspiration for me to want to get out there and bake. I've never baked anything, okay? Maybe a chicken, but but I've never baked anything but a chicken, and I'm going to bake some cakes. So we've been buying some stuff and to make that happen. Mm-hmm. And so it's going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, you should have seen what I looked like.
Well, all I can say is he should not have worn a black shirt because he had white flour. I said, look at your shirt. He had it all over. He even had it on his back.
And it wasn't flour. I mean, it was
some flour,
the powdered
and
sugar that you
had
had
to
use.
confectioner's sugar. Yeah, he had that. Yeah.
I mean, that stuff was everywhere on me.
Even on his back. I don't know how that happened.
I still don't know how that happened.
Don't know.
Anyway, that's, for right now, that's what we want to say. We want to thank all of our friends and family for supporting us. It's really been flattering that we've been on YouTube for just a little over a year. I think it was a year in
October.
Somewhere around October. Mm-hmm. Late September, early October, and we have over 1,800 subscribers, and every day it just goes up a few at a time, and I'm thrilled.
Me too.
I really am, and we're just going to keep it going. So anyway, honey,
well,
thank you for being the videographer for me, because
I try.
Well, I mean, really, we've been in photography for going on 33 years. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And you've always been the people person, posing and sales and doing all that stuff. And I've just been the technical person behind the lighting and the cameras and all that. And right now,
this has been a learning curve for me.
She's doing all the video for me, and I enjoy doing the video, but
you enjoy cooking.
I love cooking too, so it's kind of hard to do both. But I don't know how some of the other people make that happen, but thank you.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas and happy birthday, baby.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, I forgot to fix your microphone.
Oh, that's okay.
Well, that's okay. I'm sure it's picking up.
Well, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you all out there. And we are going to decorate the cake, and we're going to show you what it looks like.
So I probably will post a couple of pictures of Pam, doing a couple of things with the cake. I was supposed to take more pictures, but honestly, we got a late start, and it was a late finish. I mean, we didn't finish doing this till about 9 o'clock. And I was tired. So anyway, hey, as I always say, you want to say it?
Have a great week, and God bless you.
Love you.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers.
Good. Can't wait to fix my cake. Can't wait to fix my cake.
Oh, it wasn't on, baby. No, I'm kidding you.
I'm doing a good job.